Hey there everybody, Greg Marchand here. The impact of reviews on your business, it's tremendous, right? Now look, I said in the marketing program, you want to do anything for marketing, focus on Google reviews. The impact is high, but here's the thing. Just because you have a bad review doesn't mean you need to get rid of the bad review. It means you do need to respond to that review, and you need to respond to that review appropriately. Think about how you use reviews yourself. You go in, you see a whole bunch of 5-star reviews, and you're thinking, hey, this dude's got a great big family and they all are leaving reviews, right? Or they've got a heck of a friend group and all their friends are leaving reviews. The negative reviews, a 3-star, I go right to 3-star reviews because they tend to be the ones that are more honest. They're not rah, let's go get it. They're more like, you know what, I like the product, but this happened to me. And so you want some of those more honest reviews. You don't want all 5-star reviews. I know it sounds blasphemous because of the Google algorithm out there, but look, you want some reviews in there that are 3 and 4 stars. The 1 and 2-star reviews, yeah, you do need to handle those. But notice how people are monitoring how you handle those. When I go to a 1-star review, I can find haters. I can see people who are nothing but haters. But I can also see how the business responds to that review and whether they take offense at it, whether they get really defensive. When you're responding to a negative review, do not get defensive. I'm sorry you had a poor experience with our service center. We pride ourselves on XYZ, whatever it might be. Please feel free to contact us for a resolution. Now, if I see that in a review, I go, wow, you know what? They didn't get defensive. If I see a business that gets defensive and says, listen, we contacted you about this, we offered you XYZ, and you didn't do that, that's a problem for me. That tells me everything I need to know about how that business is likely to handle a problem I may have, right? So reviews are super important, but more importantly maybe is how you respond to your negative reviews. You want negative reviews. It makes you look human. None of us are perfect. But respond to them appropriately. Keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.